नमस्सर्वेभ्यः कक्षायां स्वागतम्। अद्य पञ्चमपाठस्य अन्तिमभागः एव शिष्यते। अस्माभिः ह्यस्तनकक्षायाम् अन्ते लौकिकन्यायः न्यायद्वयं पठितं। तत् पुनः झटिति दृष्ट्वा अन्तिमभागं प्रवेशं कुर्मः। पिष्टपेषणन्यायः इति श्रुतम् अस्माभिः। पिष्टम् इत्युक्ते फ्लोर् इति, पेषणम् इत्युक्ते तस्य घर्षणम् अथवा पौण्डिङ्ग् इति। यदा धान्यस्य घर्षणं कुर्मः तदा पिष्टं प्राप्नुमः। परन्तु यदि पिष्टमेव स्वीकृत्य पेषणं कुर्मः तर्हि किमपि नूतनं न लप्स्यते अस्माभिः। When somebody says the same thing over and over again, यदि यः कोऽपि पुनः पुनः कृतमेव पुनः पुनः वदति तदा पिष्टपेषणन्यायेन एवम् उक्तमस्ति तेन। एतत् पिष्टपेषणन्यायः पुनः पुनः किमपि कथं किमर्थं वदसि इति प्रष्टुं शक्नुमः। Other one is Andhagaja Nyaya. So the blind men and the elephant, they try to understand by touching different parts. So when someone doesn't have a comprehensive understanding of the whole, and by knowing a little things he knows the whole. Like we say in Kannada, actually, a pot that is half full spills. So that's what will happen. So we need to try to become a full pot before we try to serve water or carry it even. Okay, so it's a very nice one, Andhagajanyaya. Okay, so now Sangrahya Vishayaha. While taking holy water, or what we call as tirtha, Sharire Jarjari Bhute Vyadhigraste Kalevare Aushadam Jahnavi Toyam Janhavi Aushadham Janhavi Toyam Vaidyo Narayano Harihi. So this is in appreciation of the god of diseases. Is also called Narayana in this reference. So Vaidya himself is Narayana Hari, that kind of this thing. Okay. Sharire jharjari bhute vyadigraste kalevare aushadam janhavi toyam vaidyo narayano harihi. When the body is worn out and afflicted by diseases, Ganga water. Okay, Janhavi is alternate name for Ganga. Ganga water. For us, any water in India, any river water in India, we treat it as Samana to Ganga, is the only medicine, and Bhagavan Narayana is the only doctor. I think it's very proper, this one.
Dhanvantari.
Dhanvantari. Yeah. No, like this one is saying there isn't any Laukika doctor who can save us from that ultimate, so don't regret. So when the body is worn out and full of diseases, let us just offer our bodies to Narayana and he will take care of us. I think it's kind of nice closure type of acceptance type of verse. Okay, so it's also the holiness of Ganga river is also being praised here.
Now we can tell this slokas, no? Gange cha Yamune chaiva Godavari Saraswati Narmade Sindhu Kaveri chaiva Jalesmin Sannidhim Kurum.
बहु सम्यक्, बहु सम्यक्. When we do the Ganga Snanam and Jalapanam, we say that. Very nice. So let me read once more. Sharire jarjari bhute vyadhigraste kalevare. This one is in Saptami because this is called Sati Saptami Prayoga. Okay. Upon the status of the body being all afflicted with diseases and merely existing, upon that condition, that is Sati Saptami here. That's why it's all in Saptami. Aushadam Janhavi Toyam Vaidyo Narayano Harihi. Okay. Dhyayas Sada
Sir,
Savitraman. Yes, Bhagini.
sir, my father used to, he taught me this shloka when I was 5 years old. And
Mm-hmm.
he said that each time you take some aushadham
Mm.
for any vyadhi,
Mm.
you must say this shloka and take the medicine.
Very nice. Very nice. I think that's a good thing. Not just during holy water consumption, we can take it during Aushadhi consumption also. Nice. So just to take the Sankalpa in the mind, actually mind plays such a big role in body's recovery. So very, very good. Thanks, Bhagini. ध्येयः सदा सवित्रमण्डलमध्यवर्ती नारायणः सरसिजासनसन्निविष्टः केयूरवान्मकरकुण्डलवान् किरीटी हारी हिरण्यमयकशुपुर् सारी हिरण्मयवपुर्धृतशङ्खचक्रः ध्येयः सदा सवित्रमण्डलमध्यवर्ती नारायणः सरसिजासनसन्निविष्टः केयूरवान्मकरकुण्डलवान् किरीटीहारी हिरण्मयवपुर्धृतशङ्खचक्रः. So this is basically a lot of qualitative description of Vishnu, and he is deserving of my prayer, dhyeyaha, like that. Okay, so we must always meditate on Narayana, who is residing in the middle of the sun's orb, who is seated on a lotus seat, who is wearing armlets, crocodile shaped earrings, a crown and a necklace, who has a golden form and who is bearing a conch and a discus. Usually there is a lot of symbolism to all these ornaments. To the uninitiated, this may look like, okay, simple, colorful stuti of some unknown entity like that. But we know that the bhakti pravaha in us, which is very critical, that bhakti pravaha increases when we do such stuti of the powerful entities that we believe who are maybe unmanifest currently to us, but who are real and will control and take care of us in this world. Okay, so these stutis are in addition to the kavitva, we should also take some symbolic meanings from them, and so on and so forth. Bhagini?
This verse is chanted as a part of this Sandhya Vandanam, because it
Surya
is
Namaskara, as part of Surya Namaskara procedure.
For Sandhya Vandanam also, because
correct,
it is
correct. ध्येयः सदा सवित्रमण्डलमध्यवर्ती नारायणः सरसिजासनसन्निविष्टः केयूरवान्मकरकुण्डलवान् किरीटी हारी हिरण्मयवपुः धृतशङ्खचक्रः. Vapurdhritashankachakra or Vapuhdhritashankachakra, a little bit. Okay. All right. Nice one. So now the last part. Indian scientists have named the divisions of time up to the smallest duration. See the table below. 1 day, 24 hours is 30 muhurtas. 1 muhurtam is 48 minutes. 1 muhurtam also is 2 nadikas. 1 nadika is which is 24 minutes is 15 laghus, and 1 laghu is 15 kashtas. 1 kashta is 5 kshanas. 5 kshanas. 1 kshana is 3 nimeshas. 1 nimesha is 3 lavas, and 1 lava is 3 vedhas. 1 veda is shatatruti, and 1 truti is 3 trasarenu, and 1 trasarenu is 3 anu, and 1 anu is 2 paramanu. So remember, just as material is going down to anutva, even time is recognized as partitionable to an anutva. The very minute nature of time as well as matter was very much understood. Okay. And so this is a very interesting division.
Just like microseconds, nanoseconds.
Exactly. Picoseconds. Nowadays we have gone to femto also in measurement. Even practical electronics nowadays work at that precision. Okay.
Yeah, in physics it is material mesons, pi mesons. Meons, pi meons.
Correct. Well done. So the same thing I have it in Samskrita list actually. This kind of thing. Paramanudvayam anuhu, anutrayam trasarenuhu, tisraha trasarenavah, ekatrutihi, shatatrutayah, ekavedah, evam. Dinam paryantam. Tadanantaramapi janimah masa ऋतु संवत्सर इत्यादि वर्तते एव. अस्तु, पुनः एकवारं शरीरे जर्जरीभूते व्याधिग्रस्ते कलेवरे औषधं जाह्नवीतोऽयं वैद्यो नारायणो हरिः ध्येयः सदा सवित्रमण्डलमध्यवर्ती नारायणः सरसिजासनसन्निविष्टः केयूरवान् मकरकुण्डलवान् किरीटी हारी हिरण्मयवपुर्धृतशङ्खचक्रः। अस्तु। तो पञ्चमपाठस्य प्रश्नान् उत्तरयितुं प्रयत्नं कुर्मः. So we will try the last exercise set in the 5th lesson to draw a conclusion to that before we take our break and come back for the 6th lesson. एतेषां क्रियापदानां शत्रन्त पुल्लिङ्ग स्त्रीलिङ्ग रूपाणि एकवचने लिखत. Of these verbs, the Shatranta masculine and Strilinga or feminine forms in singular you write. Okay, so we have to write the singular, both Pullinga and Strilinga forms. So it's a matter of knowing how the table goes. So of course, remember there are some exception dhatus, we have to remember them, and others go similarly. Gacchati, gacchan, gacchanti iti bhavati. Kridati,
क्रीडन्
क्रीडन्
क्रीडन्ति
क्रीडन्ति
Kridan, Kridanti, like the Bhagini beautifully recited for us. Udghatayati, Udghatayati or Udghatayati?
उद्घाटयन्
उद्घाटयन् उद्घाटयन्ति
Udghatayan, Udghatayanti. Nrityati,
नृत्यन् नृत्यन्ति
नृत्यन्ति
Kartayati,
कर्तयन्
कर्तयन्ति
Kartayan, Kartayanti. Prapnoti,
प्राप्नुवन् प्राप्नुवन्ति
प्राप्नुवन् प्राप्नुवन्ति
Vakarah agachati.
प्राप्नुवन्ति
Very good.
प्राप्नुवन्ति
प्राप्नुवन् प्राप्नुवती इति
नुवति।
नकारः नास्ति तत्र रेड्
नो
रिमेम्बर् प्राप्नुवन् प्राप्नुवती जिग्रति
जिग्रन् जिग्रन्ति
जिग्रन् जिग्
ती।
oh, I have a spelling error here, it should be महाप्राण घकार जिग्रन् जिग्रन्ति
जिग्रन्ति
शक्नोति
शक्नुवन्
शक्नुवन् शक्नुवति
Shaknuvan, Shaknuvati. So approximately when there is one Vakara generated, we have to try and remember that in Strilinga Nakara gets absent. Okay. So approximately we can remember like that, and always we should say probably. We should not conclude about it. Anyway, let us. Vishwasiti. Vishwasan, Vishwasati.
What is the meaning, sir? Vishwasati, na?
Vishwasa means having faith
Trust.
and confidence in something. Okay, so some fellow who is being confident and some lady who is being confident. So Sita Hanumatam Vishwasati tam Vartalapam Uktavati something. Okay.
Okay.
Sasya Vrittantam Uktavati, Swasyaha Vrittantam Uktavati, something like that. Initially, she was not having Vishwasa. She thought this may be actually Ravana in some kind of a weird form because she knew he was capable of taking different forms. Eteshu kriyapadeshu titah purvam hrisva akarah asti va na va iti parishilya shatranta strilinga rupam shuddham uta ashuddham iti likata. So we had been taught earlier, you know. Wait a minute. Some steam noise is coming. Okay. So udaharanam pathati pathanti shuddham iti. Okay. So we remember that if there is a hrisva akara, right, then nakara anti will come. So that is what we should know. So that they're teaching us through this exercise again. Reminded of the process. Okay. So if you remember here, Kridati, Nrityati had ati. That's why anti came. Whereas Prapnoti had oti. So only ti came. Okay. nakara is not there. Ati did not, anti did not come. Okay, so that's what exercise is. So it's a good reminder lesson for us. Pashyati, pashyanti.
Shuddham.
Shuddham va?
Shuddham. Shuddham.
Shuddham. Correct. Because ati is there, anti is possible.
Hmm.
Next one, number 2. Kreenati, kreenanti.
Ashuddham.
Ashuddham. Because ati is there. So
Ati
nakara
is
cannot be
there.
there. Kreenati will come.
Nakara
Okay?
should not come.
Nakara should not be there. Ashuddham. Very good.
Hmm.
Janati, jananti.
Ashuddham.
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 Again, ati should generate
Ati.
just ati without nakara.
Hmm.
Janati is the smarati, smaranti.
Shuddham.
Correct. Shuddham.
Oh, very good. Khadati, khadanti.
Correct.
Shuddham.
Shuddham. Shuddham.
Dadati, dadati.
Correct.
Shuddham.
Ashuddham.
Shuddham. For once they wrote the thing correctly for the ati to
Ati.
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 Well
Ati.
done. Riktasthanani purayata. Fill the gaps. Okay. Fill the empty spaces. So dash parityajya ye dash eva chintayanti te satpurushaha. Guys, remember?
Swarthan.
Swarthan
Parityajya
Parartham.
ye
Parartham
parartham
eva chintayanti te satpurushaha. Very good. Swartha parartha. Okay. So if you will remember the verses like that. Ete satpurushaha parartha gatakaha swarthan parityajya ye सामान्यास्तु परार्थमध्यमभृतः स्वार्था विरोधेन ये तेमी पुमानुषराक्षसाः परहितं स्वार्थाय निघ्नन्ति ये तु घ्नन्ति निरर्थकं परहितं ते के न जानीमहे. It's a nice verse. So that's what swarthan pararthan. Next one. Swartasya dash ye parartham chintayanti te
स्वार्थस्य अविरोधेन
अविरोधेन
ये
ये परार्थम चिंतिति ते
सामान्यः
सामान्याः. Well done, well done. अविरोधेन and सामान्याः. Well filled. स्वार्थाय ये dash dash ते मानुषराक्षसाः.
स्वार्थाय ये
परहितं
निघ्नन्ति. परहितं निघ्नन्ति. Okay, parahitam nignanti. Okay, they destroy the benefit of others for swartha. They are manusha rakshasa. Ye dash dash gnanti te ke iti na jnayate.
நிரர்த்தகம் பரஹிதம்.
சார்
மேலேயே டிப்ஸ் மாதிரி இருக்கு சார்.
எல்லாம் இருக்கு மேடம். என்ன பண்றது, இந்த காலத்துல எல்லாம் வேணும்னு போட்டிருக்கேன்.
ஈஸியா பார்த்து சொல்லு.
ஆமா, என்னன்னா எங்க வரைக்கும் நாங்க மனசுலயே வச்சுக்கோறோமோ அங்க வரைக்கும் இதெல்லாம் அப்படியே ஆன்சர் போடுறது கஷ்டமே. ये निरर्थकं परहितं घ्नन्ति ते के इति न ज्ञायते. For those who do not know Tamil, I apologize. Manasvi karyarthi na dash dukkam na cha dash.
Ganayati.
Na ganayati dukkam na cha sukham.
Sukham. Very good. Na ganayati dukkam na cha sukham. So this one comes from this verse. Okay, it's from the second one. क्वचित् पृथ्वीशय्यः क्वचिदपि च पर्यङ्कशयनः क्वचित् शाकाहारः क्वचिदपि च शाल्योदनरुचिः क्वचित् कन्थाधारी क्वचिदपि च दिव्याम्बरधरो मनस्वी कार्यार्थी न गणयति दुःखं न च सुखम्. So for those who are embedded in seva, they do not check whether they are sleeping on the floor or the supreme bed, or let us say on dreamless sleep or some bed. Then some of them eat simple vegetables, others eat some bhojanam. Some are wearing simple dresses, others could be wearing wonderful clothes. But one who is engaged in niswartha seva, he doesn't count all these things. That's what he's saying. Okay, beautiful. Plasvi karyati nacha ganayati dukkam nacha sukham. So with that we have concluded this.
Sir, Geeta program was excellent, sir. You organized so beautifully.
Very nice, sir.
Very.
It was
Thanks.
very nice, sir.
Thanks.
Mahodaya,
Huh.
Very nice
शुद्धम
program.
अशुद्धम
हाँ.
पुनः एकवारं एक्सप्लेन करो शक्ति हो?
Okay. एकनिमेषम्. Before we take the break, actually after answering his question I'll be taking a break, so those of you who know the correct answers there don't need to stay back, you can start taking your break. I will show him and then we will go through. So Mahoday, I'll just walk you through. No problem, just listen to me carefully. So one of the rules we learned during Shatranta Strilinga forms is whether this Strilinga forms has a nakara or not, whether it is pashyati or pashyanti in the Strilinga is dependent on how in the latlakara the ending is. Okay, so the dhatu, drish dhatu takes the form pashyati in lat ekavachana puratama purusha. Pashyati, pashyataha, pashyanti. Usually we are familiar with that form, right? So Samskrita Bharati is teaching us a trick. So just look at the lat lakara pratama purusha ekavachana form. Check whether it has the ending ati before the ti, where there is a hrisva akara. In shya there is a hrisva akara. Ati is there, right? So if ati is there, then anti will generate in Shatranta Strilinga. Okay. So this one pashyati has ati, so anti, so this is correct. So we say shuddham. Okay. Whereas you look at krinati, okay, ati is there. So hrisva akara is not there before the ti. So that being the lat form or the present tense form, the Shatranta Strilinga cannot have a nakara because it's not ati, it is ati. So nakara has to be deleted. So the form given krinanti is ashuddham because it shouldn't have the nakara from the trick we learned. Okay. All right. Next, similarly, it proceeds. Janati, jananti, ati. So anti cannot be there. Ati has to be there. So ashuddham again. Janati has to be there. Smarati, ati is there. So anti is correct. So shuddham. Okay. Khadati, ati is there. So anti is correct. Shuddham. Dadati, ati is there. Dadati. So this is correct because nakara has not been put, which is the correct decision because ati is there. So this is also shuddham. Is it clear? Mahodaya?
Thank you. Dhanyawad.
No problem. So we will take a break. We are on the cusp of 12 o'clock. So
Sir,
12:05.
One quick question, please.
Mahodaya.
In the above 8 number, Vishwasiti. So there it is Ati, and what has become Vishwasati.
See, good. So extending that knowledge, iti, Vishwasiti has iti, right? Because it has iti and not ati, there is no nakara in ti.
Oh, even iti. So anything other than ati.
Ati, correct.
Okay,
Everything other than ati. So iti, oti, ati, all of them get to that without nakara form. Same thing you see, shaknuvan. Okay, sorry, shaknoti. So don't look at shaknuvan, which is pullinga form of Shatranta. Look at lat form, shaknoti. Oti is there. So only ti. Here, prapnoti. Oti is there. So only ti. Other places, nti, because ati, iti. Sorry, this is iti. So ati, kridati, ati, nrityati, ati. Like, okay?
Very clear, sir. Thank you.
Very good. Okay. So take a break, guys, and come back at 12:05.
Gocharan. ಅದೇ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೀರು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಣವ್ ಏನು ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ಏನು ಪಲ್ಯನ
Someone has to mute, please.
Yes, please, everybody mute. It's too much of noise.
Okay, welcome back. So we start with the 6th lesson. Let us get started with the Ukti. Sukti. Tam yogamiti manyante stiramindriyadharanam. Tam yogamiti manyante stiramindriyadharanam. Here, dharana is a strilinga pada. Dharana is a strilinga pada because that is the subject of this sukti. The tam in strilinga is used. She is known as yoga, is understood as yoga, which is that dharana, that kind of wearing. Wearing means dressing, that sense, wearing upon us. This sthiram indriya dharanam. Sthiram again is also in strilinga to track that. Steady, she who is a steady wearer of indriyas. That means one who is not distracted by the normal chest of the indriya. So beautiful. Tam yogamiti manyante sthiram indriya dharanam. So that all that beautiful femininity in that phrase is shorn when we go to English. Restraining the senses firmly is known as yoga. So sthira is firm and indriya dharana is restraining of the senses. Okay. Dharana means in the sense of control. Yoginaha tam sthiram indriya dharanam yogam iti manyante. See, till so far strilinga and then the name is in napumsaka, yogam. Okay, so there is no confusion there in the language. Notice this. What started out as dharana as a strilinga pada with a certain qualification of what kind of dharana it is named yogam in Napumsaka, of course. Okay. Actually, it says yogam iti manyante. Okay, it's in Dvitiya Vibhakti here in the sense. Okay. All right. So yogis consider the steadfast control of the senses by a focused mind. That is all added in as yoga. So let us see the Kathopanishad, the verse related to this. I could pull some reference to this. Okay. So also we will see Patanjali what he says, of course. Tam yogamiti manyante stiramindriya dharanam apramattastada bhavati yogo hi prabhavapyayo. So yoga pullinga shabda, not napumsaka like I mistakenly told. Yoga yogam. Okay. So again we will read this. Tam yogamiti manyante sthiramindriya dharanam apramattastada bhavati yogo hi prabhavapyayo. Okay. So after that first phrase, what Kathopanishad is continuing to say is apramattaha tada bhavati. Okay. One who attains that yogic state becomes apramatta, one who doesn't yield himself to unnecessary excitations. Okay. And yoga indeed has control over him. I mean, that is, he is in yogic control, something like that. Okay. I don't know the full split and explanation. It will be interesting to do the Anvaya analysis of this, search the Dhatu forms and understand this. So that is a good exercise for us. So Kathopanishad is saying this. See, yoga quotes are not just found in Yoga Sutra, they are all over. Okay. Even Bhagavad Gita has many nice verses about yoga. Okay. Patanjali's Yoga Sutras say this: Yoga chitta vritti nirodha sthira sukham asanam desha bandha chittasya dharana. Okay, so it also connects to that same dharana in this triplet. Okay, yoga chitta vritti nirodha. Yoga is that where the mental thoughts are under control. That means we shorten ourselves from unnecessary wandering of the mind. So we keep it calm and unthinking. Sthiram sukham, actually sthira sukham, sthiram sukham, you can split it this way. Asanam. So that is known as asana, which is steady and which is not giving you unnecessary stress. Okay. So simply it's about the Padmasana mudra or something that you can take. Deshabandha chittasya dharana. Chitta is the mental, that same chitta vritti, that mental layer which keeps wandering. So of that mental layer, holding it steady, dharana of that, deshabandha, holding it steady on one aspect. That means bringing it to focus upon one thing. Eventually, of course, they teach us to focus on nothing, but in the beginning it is ekagra. So that ekagrata is deshabandha. So that itself is dharana. So in so many colorful ways, in more practical ways, Patanjali explains. Okay, beautiful. So here, what do I have here? Man jnane divadi gane atmanepadi sakarmakaha lati manyate manyete manyante iti. Atra manyante iti asti kila suktau tattu मन ज्ञाने इति धातुः मन इति दिवादिगणे चतुर्थगणे अस्ति ततः कारणात् एव यकारः आगमिष्यति तत्र चतुर्थगणः इति मत्वा मन्यते मन्येते मन्यन्ते. इट इज नॉट ए परार्थ णिच्, इट इज ए स्वार्थ यकार. ओके, ऑल राइट. एनी क्वेश्चंस? Okay.
Sir, that desha bandha, here the meaning of desha is in terms of focus and
focus, the point of focus.
Sir,
not country or anything.
Yeah,
point
yeah.
What do you mean by lati?
Lat lakare, saptami ekavachana. Lati means
lati,
in lat.
Lat lakare. Okay.
Lat lakare. It is a Paninian declension to saptami ekavachana of lat. Okay. Langi, lati, like that we say. Okay. In lat, in lung, like that. Okay. So let us read once more. Tam yogamiti manyante sthiram indriya dharanam. Yoginah tam sthiram indriya dharanam yogam iti manyante. Tam yogamiti manyante sthiram indriya dharanam apramattastada bhavati yogo hi prabhavapyayo. Yoga chitta vritti nirodha स्थिर सुखम् आसनं देशबन्धः चित्तस्य धारणा. अस्तु. कृदन्ताः. So we continue our Strilinga study of Shatranta. Okay, and now today they introduce us to all the balance vibhaktis at once. Pratama they have focused a lot because Pratama usage at the Sarala Samskrita level is common. So, but other declensions we quickly gather them at this stage. Dvivachana, Dvitiya Vibhakti, Tritiya Vibhakti, Chaturthi Vibhakti, Panchami Vibhakti, Shashti and Saptami. So, Dvitiyayam, Tritiyayam, Chaturthau, evam evam. Chaturthyam, praya. Chaturthyam, Panchamyam, Shashtyam, Saptamyam, iti vaktavyam. Vibhakti iti strilinga shabdah. Tat karanat tatha. Jalam anayantim Sitam Sharada api anusrutavati. So anayanti Sita iti ekavachane asit kila. Tasya anayantim Sitam iti. तो यथा ईकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग पदः अन्तीम इति भवति तथैव एतदपि. ओके. आनयन्तीं सीतां शारदा अपि अनुसृतवती. The Sita who was bringing water, that Sita, Sharada too followed. Okay. Nidrantim striyam drishtva anyah striyah kupitavatyah. Nindantim, not nidrantim, kshamyatam. Nindantim striyam drishtva anyah striyah kupitavatyah. So let us say they are all trying to gather around some water outlet, common scene in our dry cities nowadays. Okay, so there is a little altercation. One of the ladies is blaming the others because they pushed her pot away or something like that. So nindantim striyam drishtva, looking at the lady who was abusing, tvanta drishtva, having seen. Anyaha striyaha, other ladies, kupitavatyah, became ladies who were angered. I am saying it in the literal sense of the ktanta. Okay. Phalani kadantihi vanarihi. Actually, kupitavatyah is ktavatu. Kshamyatam. Kupitavatyah ktavatu. Kupitavan, kupitavati, kupitavatyaha. Vatyah is plural of kupitavati. Palani kadantihi vanarihi drishtva balikaha hasitavatyah. So this darshana kriya has the karma pada as the vanaris, lady monkeys. Of course, they are forcing lady because we are learning Strilinga. Okay, so looking at the lady monkeys who were eating fruits. Okay, so the monkeys being the karma or the target of the darshana kriya, these are in dvitiya, though we can't just state that by just looking at it, but contextually we know they are in dvitiya. Okay, phalani kadantihi vanarihi, phalani is also in dvitiya vibhakti. Okay, because for the kadana kriya, okay, I think that is the karma pada, perhaps. That's how I think it. Okay, drishtva balikaha hasitavatyah. So the young girls laughed, looking at, having looked at, actually, literally, having looked at, after looking at the lady monkeys who were eating the fruits. Okay, I don't know what was there to laugh about. Maybe happy, laughter of happiness. I would definitely ascribe that to balikas. Okay, very good. Dhavantihi gaha pashya. See, gaha, plural, dvivachana, go shabdasya. Okay, go shabda is a very special shabda. Its declension is to be memorized separately. So davantihi gaha pashya. Look, you look. Tvam pashya is implicit there. Tvam pashya, lot. So you see the cows who are running. So this both are in karma position. The running cows as a set of objects you see.
So the gaha is second vibhakti, sir.
Dvitiya bahuvachana. See, whatever you see here, 2.1, 2.1, 2.3, these are the vibhakti and vachanas. Okay, I just additionally identified. We already kind of see it in context, but it's nice to note it down. Okay. Padyam punah punah smarantya taya sumadhuram na geetam. This is Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachana, Strilinga Shatranta. Also, the Tritiya Vibhakti applies to Taya because this Shatranta is a Visheshana to Taya. Okay, by her, Taya, by her, Sitaya, Sitaya, same thing, Taya. Sa te taha, tam te taha, taya tabhyam tabihi. That one, Taya. Okay, Smarantya Taya. So Smaranti in Prathama Ekavachana goes to Smarantya in Tritiya Vibhakti. Smaranti, Smarantim in Dvitiya Vibhakti, Smarantya in Tritiya Vibhakti. Smarantya Taya Ekavachana. So Padyam punah punah Smarantya Taya, by her who was again and again remembering the verse. That means she was sleeping. She was not able to sing properly because she was unable to recall the words. So todlodu, what we say in Kannada, no? Oh, hatke hatke bolna. Wo ho raha tha. So sumaduram na geetam. So obviously by her the whatever song was not sung melodiously. She just missed the beat. Okay. Uttaram likantya vidyarthinya madhye madhye alochyate. Look at this Sanskritam technique of duplication of words to mean again and again. Punah punaha literally means again again. Madhye madhye, middle middle. What it means is in between like that. There is that technique is common in all Indian languages, right? Uttaram likantya vidyarthinya madhye madhye alochyate. So likantya vidyarthinya, by the lady student who was writing the answer in the middle, in many points in the middle, thinking is done. Alochyate. Okay, thinking is done. Okay. Pakshyani khadantibihi stribihi bahu sambashanam kritam. Another bahuvachana form of the Tritiya Vibhakti. Two we saw in Ekavachana, now bahuvachana form. Khadantibihi stribihi. Khadantya striya. Khadantibihi stribihi. Okay. Okay. By the ladies who were eating. By is indicating the Tritiya Vibhakti of this form. Eating what? Bhakshyani, the goodies. Okay. Bahu sambashanam kritam. Lot of discussion was carried out. Sambashanam kritam. Karmani kta. Sambashanam is a prathama vibhakti karma pada in this sentence. That's why the karta is in tritiya. Vastram Prakshalayantibhi Rajikabhi Rajakaha Rajika. See, this is a three pratyaya added to Rajaka. Rajika iti bhavati. Rajikabhi iti tritiyayam bahuvachane. Dirghocchvasaha kriyate. Vastram Prakshalayantibhi Rajikabhi. By the lady washerwomen who were cleaning or whatever, bashing the clothes. Okay, because it's a very strenuous job, this kind of bashing cleaning. Dirghocchvasaha kriyate. A very, very long breathing. Uchvasaha is exhalation. Okay, long exhalation is done. Okay, and exhalation and kriyate. is Atmanepadi. Karmani katham etad. Astu. That is karoti kriyate. So this is gone to the karmani nich form of the kru dhatu. Okay. So this is what this is in current tense kriyate. Okay. So this is not a kta pratyayanta. This is a standard lat in karmani nich kriyate. Karoti kriyate. Kurute kriyate. Of course, both kurute and karoti goes to kriyate. Kru dhatu's karmani form, I think. Dirgochvasaha, very nice word. Okay, so another Tritiya Vibhakti usage, this time with active lakara verb in karmani mode. Just interesting. See, our focus is on prakshalayanti bihi, rajika bihi, but it will be nice to see the overall structure and learn from every sentence. So I am trying to go through all that. Nrityantyai idam paritoshakam diyatam. So this is to, that is the Chaturthi Vibhakti. Okay. To the lady who is dancing. Nrityantyai. How compact Sanskritam is. To the lady who is dancing. The Stritva is hidden there. To the is hidden there. And dance, the one who is a dancer is hidden there. All in just 3 letters. Nrityantyai paritoshakam diyatam. Idam, this paritoshakam diyatam, you give. Okay. So wonderful.
Sir, sorry to disturb you. Diyatam is Preranarthakal, sir. Let it be given or given, sir?
Preranarthaka. Diyatam, you may give like that. You give.
Let it be given.
Directive. Lot, correct. Chitram pashyantyai balikayai tat chitram rochate.
Sir, actually, in the previous one, whether it is 4.1 or 4.3, sir, you have written here 4.1.
4.1, no?
4.1. Nrityantaihi.
Nrityantyai. 4.1.
Chaturthi Vibhakti Ekavachana.
Ekavachana. Chaturthi Ekavachana. Not Bahuvachana. Sitayai. Sitayai. Do you remember?
Yes,
So,
sir.
see here, come here. Come, I already have the table up for you here. Okay. So, patantyai, nrityantyai, patantibhyah, nrityantibhyah will be the Bahuvachana form. Okay. Chitram pashyantyai balikayai. See here, it's very clear. Balikayai tat chitram rochate. To the girl who is seeing the picture. Okay. Picture is of course the karma pada for the darshana kriya. So it is in karma position 2.1 chitram. Pashyantyai is 4.1 to go with balikayai as visheshana. Shatrantas are always visheshanas, right? Tat chitram rochate. That picture, again chitra is again appearing in the sentence as a second time as a karma pada to the ruch dhatu. Okay, rochate. So to the girl who is seeing the picture, that picture is liked. So if you remember, ruch dhatu forces the chaturthi vibhakti in the person who is enjoying the ruchi. Okay, so this is from pravesha lesson set. You immediately identify this form. Okay, balikayai kimapi rochate, that form. Okay, this is one of the specialities upapada style of vibhakti application. Okay. Sitam nindantibhyo rakshasibhyo Hanuman kupitavan. These are actually bhyaha, but they are in the utva form, bhyo like that. So don't get confused. I don't find this in the table. You guys know this is all visarga, utva and all that. By now we are experts hopefully in that. Sitam nindantibhyo rakshasibhyo Hanuman kupitavan. So just the same as ruch dhatu, this kup whatever is krodha related dhatus also generate the chaturthi bhava. Okay. For the sake of that sense, okay, actually sake is not correct. You can use it in English roughly. For the sake of the Rakshasis who were abusing Sita, Hanuman became angry, became a fellow who was angry. I mean, due to them is the sense in the end. Due to the Rakshasis who were blaming Sita, Hanuman became angry, like that, caused by them. Tatra tishtantibhyo lananabhyah sangeetam rochate. Again, they shifted to ruch dhatu to force the chaturthi of that. So lalanabhyah, lalanaha are young ladies who are friends. Okay, so tatra tishtantibhyo lalanabhyah. Here they couldn't do the utva because of sakara, so they have stayed. So lalanabhyah sangeetam rochate. So by those young damsels who were standing over there, the music is liked. Okay. Spurantyaha vidyutah prakashah agatah. Spurantyaha vidyutah. Okay. So now agatah, something.
So where the dancers are? It's not dancers, no sir. Dishtanti means standing, no sir.
Did I say dancers? Did I say dancers?
Yeah, we heard dancing. Correct. Standing.
Oh, I am sorry. Sorry. Because I said damsel, my mouth ended up going to dancing. Maybe my vigorous imagination.
Okay.
Sorry. Okay. Spurantyaha vidyutah prakashah agatah. By the from the lightning. Vidyut actually is lightning in Sanskritam originally. So from the lightning which was flashing, light came. Simple sentence. Light came. Okay. So prakashah agatah. Kutah agatah. Kasmat agatah. Vidyutah agatah. Kidrishah vidyut na kidrish. Kidrishat, something like that. Okay. With Spurantyaha vidyutah, Strilinga form.
Kim kurvan. Sir, Kim kurvan.
No. So we have to use that form of Kim, which is in Ka, which declines to Panchami. Ka, ke, kaha, kam. Kidrishyaha. Thanks, Bhagini. Kidrishyaha vidyutah, Spurantyaha vidyutah. After she says it sounds so simple, but it was just not coming to me. Kidrishyaha vidyutah prakashah agatah, spurantyaha vidyutah prakashah agatah. Nice one. So agacchantyaha vyagryaha mrugaha bhitaha. So bhaya dhatu also generates the source of that bhaya becomes Panchami. So from the tigresses who were coming, the deers were afraid, became afraid, like that. Okay. What do I have here? Okay. So this is, I think I have this cut from Parichaya. Let me read it. It's you have to twist your head. I will twist my head and read it. The words denoting the cause of fear used with verbs expressing fear are in ablative case. Harinaha vyagrat bibheti, kshamyatam, bibheti. The deer is afraid of the tiger. Vyagrat is in the ablative case, which is simply Panchami. Ablative you will never remember. Panchami is easier to remember. Or source case. In my simple English, I call it source case. The source of the fear. Something like that. Okay, well done. Agacchantyaha vyagriyaha mrugaha bhitaha. Dhavantyaha goho pucham pasya. So this one is Shashti. We shifted from Panchami to Shashti. For Panchami, they have not given. They have given actually this is Bahuvachana. Agantyaha. Antibhya. So this is actually Ekavachana. Somehow for Panchami, they have not given a Bahuvachana example. Okay. Both examples given are Ekavachana examples. Okay. No problem. Dhavantyaha goho pucham pasya. Look at the tail. This is look. Tvam pasya. You look at the tail of the cow. Goho. Go shabdasya shashti ekavachanam. So tasya visheshanatvam dhavantyaha goho. Of the running of the cow. Okay, ekavachana. Of the running of the cow. I'm deliberately doing butler. Of the running of the cow. Both are in Shashti. To bring that out, I am doing that of the running of the cow. The tail you see. Okay. Nrityantyaha mayuryaha padavinyasam pashya. Okay. So one thing to remember. Panchami also has patantyaha. Shashti also has patantyaha or nrityantyaha. How do we determine is Panchami or Shashti? Read the sentence, then it will become apparent. So this bhiti, so see, the deer are not of the tigresses. The deer cannot be belonging to the tigresses, right? It's simply like a ridiculous, meaningless type of statement. The deer of the tigresses who are running is meaningless. From the tigresses, due to the tigresses which are running, the deer are afraid, become afraid. So that is the sense of Panchami there. And here it's clearly Shashti. Okay. Davantyaha goho pucham pashya. You see the tail of the cow, goho. So it's not from the cow. Okay, of the cow. And davantyaha, of the running. Is it clear how to distinguish? Context. Nrityantyaha, so they like this nritya so much. Nrityantyaha mayuryaha padavinyasam pashya. Again something similar to goho but bahuvachana. Mayuryaha. Okay. Oh, ekavachana only. Sorry.
Sir, you have. You
Mayur,
have put 6-1.
say mayuryaha, mayuryoho, mayuryinam, something like that. Tough one will come there. Okay. Maybe mayuryanam. Mayuryanam, something like that will come. Padavinyasam pashya. Padavinyasa is the style of the feet, which means the way in which they are tapping their feet. That is called padavinyasa, right? So look at the method of feet tapping. I cannot describe it in any other way in English. Of the peahens, footwork. Yeah, footwork of the peahens which are dancing. Okay. Peahens I am translating. Mayuri is peahen. So footwork, yes. Bagini?
The plural would be Mayurinam.
Mayurinam, yeah. So this is ekavachana of the peahen which is dancing. Correct. So Shashti, ekavachana. Patantinam shilanam vegaha mahan. So this one is bahuvachana. Shilanam. So of the shilas, of the stones. Okay. Speed is lot, is big. Okay. Speed is big of the stone. After this, you can imagine asti or something. Vegaha asti, vegaha mahan asti. Only they left with the visheshana. Okay. So Shilanam Patantinam, of the falling of the rocks, the speed is huge. Shashti Bahuvachana. Shilanam. Jalpantinam Karmakarinam Darshanena Swami Kupitaha. The Swami, the boss, became an angered fellow by the darshana, by the appearance of the karmakaris who were chatting. Jalpantinam karmakarinam, of the lady workers who were chatting by their appearance, by their appearance. So Bahuvachana. So darshana is possessed. So it's like they are the possessors of their darshana. So you can say tasya darshanam, like that, na? So same way, karmakarinam darshanam. So jalpantinam karmakarinam darshanena. This which is vibhakti to suit the second half. By that darshana, Swami Kupitaha. Okay. Akasmat.
Watching also, no?
By the appearance. By the appearance. Because the appearance belongs to the karmakaris. Because when you say watching, you are switching the allegiance to Swami.
Sir?
1 minute.
Sir,
Just
what
give me a minute. Please stand by.
Sure.
I'm very sorry. It was an elderly person who needed attention, so I had to break off from the class. So where we were?
Sir, what is the meaning
19th
of
sentence.
Jalpantinam?
What is the meaning of
Jalpantinam?
Jalpana means chit chat. Oh, somebody is in a nice Kalyana Mandapam. Okay.
Listen,
Oh,
street
road
some that cow.
Oh, sorry.
Road la the cow put in.
Cow put. Okay, go darshanam. Okay. So much fun. India is so much fun. Very colorful, our country.
So this Jalpantinam, I was thinking, is it equivalent to this Jalpani? Like maybe they're having some tea and snack or something? It could be like that while they're chatting.
Yeah, you can say it is contextually. You can imagine some tea party.
Okay.
Okay, but here they are karma curry. So rather than tea party, they are just having chat party. Not even chat.
No, maybe,
Chat party.
maybe there is a break that they have. They are having some tea or something like that, and they are
No, here
chit-chatting.
Jalpana is simply about talking.
Okay.
Chit chat.
Yeah, don't confuse it Jalapana. See, in Hindi, I know why you're getting confused. In Hindi, there is something called Jala and Pana, which means water and drinking and eating, that kind of thing. Okay.
Yes. There is a restaurant called Jalpan. So maybe people are confused in Jain.
It is from that Hindi phrase Jalpan. Okay.
Gupshup.
Exactly.
Originally, I don't know. Actually, Bhagini's question is very, very relevant. So if we go to the Vyutpatti of Jalpana, we will understand whether actually even in Sanskritam, there is that kind of a derivative. Okay. So Bhagini's question is extremely relevant. It is worthy of research. Okay. To find out how did Jalpana come into being. Okay.
Yes.
Because Jala and Pana are both Sanskrit dhatu, the Sanskrit words.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So very interesting.
Thank you.
Okay. So akasmat apatantinam apadam nivaranam katam. So apadam, sorry, not apadam. Apadam. Apada is some kind of danger. Okay, or some kind of adversity. So apadam, so it's a strilinga pada. So apadam, of the danger, lady danger. Okay, of the lady danger. Only for Sanskrit literal I am saying that. Don't take it to English world and say anything. Of the lady danger, the avoidance. How? What kind of lady danger? Apatantinam apadam, that which is befalling. That which is befalling. So of that which is befalling, of the danger, lady danger, akasmat apatantinam, jhatiti, I mean without any anticipative time, suddenly, akasmat apatantinam apadam, unexpectedly. Okay, nivaranam katam, how to avoid it. So the whole thing is Shashti Bahuvachana of apadam. So here,
Sir, apadanam hona chahiye. Apadanam.
Apadanam, it should have been there. So apadam saptami vat apadam nivaranam, tasya nivaranam. So it is tasyaha apadam. This is clearly Bahuvachana. I am doubting this apat shabda, but we have to see how apat shabda declines. It is a takaranta strilinga pada. So we have to check its declension table. It's not a easy one.
ये विशेष पदम विशेष है तो ये षष्ठी बहुवचन में होना चाहिए.
No, Visheshanam, see, apantinam is clearly Shashti Bahuvachana. Yeah. So apadam should be in Shashti Bahuvachana. We have to check whether the declension is matching. That's all. Apatyaha, apatyoho, apadam, something like that.
Mahodaya, apad female, Shashti is apadaha, apadoho, apadam.
Oh, apadaha, apadoho,
so it is
apadam.
Okay, it is apadam only. There is a anuswar on top, na? Apadam. Yeah, apadam is the Bahuvachana.
Is there. Correct. Yeah. Bahuvachana. Thanks, Bhagini. Apadaha, apadoho, apadam is the declension in Shashti for apat strilinga shabda.
Yeah.
One of the
and the nominative is apat, apadau, apadaha, and like that.
Apat, apadau, apadaha. Once you read it off, Bhagini, please.
Yeah, apat, apadau, apadaha, Ditya is apadam, apadau, apadaha. Tritiya, apada, apadbhyam, apadbhihi. Then apade, apadbhyam, apadbhyaha. Apadaha, apadbhyam, apadbhyaha. Genitive is apadaha, apadoho, apadam. And locative is apadi, apadoho, apatsu.
Apatsu. Beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you, Bhagini. Thanks.
Sir, there is
So
a
hopefully that
famous-
something will stick in our head from that. Thanks for reading it. So see, every time we get an opportunity and Bhagini has picked up the table from somewhere, we should just have it read once so that some registration happens in our head. Yes, another person has a question.
Sir, there is a famous shloka, no? Apadam apahartaram. So same.
Apadam apahartaram.
ಪ್ರವೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಅದು ಈ ರಾಮರ ಮೇಲೆ.
Tataram sarva sampadam.
So it is Shashti
Lokabhiramam.
Bahuvachana.
Anyone remembers the whole verse?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Baginis, wait. Let that lady who first introduced us to that verse tell. Please tell, madam.
Apadam apahartaram dataram sarva sampadam lokabhiramam Shri Ramam bhuyo bhuyo namamyaham.
Aha, bhuyo bhuyo namamyaham. Beautiful. Okay, thanks.
But that apahartaram and all that, they are dvitiya vibhakti, no? This apadam is only shashti vibhakti.
Apadam apahartaram. You're right. Of the apati, the one who is apadara. So that apahartara is in dvitiya. Ramam Visheshana.
Very interesting.
Very, very good, Bhagini. Well done. Vahantyam kulyayam malinata nasti. Vahantyam kulyayam. So in the water body, in some kind of a kulya is like a water body which is flowing. Okay, let's call it as a rivulet. So in the rivulet which is in the flow, I'm doing Saptami for that in English. In the rivulet which is in the flow, malinata nasti, there is no dirtiness. So we say, no, a flowing water is pure. That saying is Vahantyam kulyayam malinata nasti. Vahantyam nadyam malinata nasti. Saptami ekavachana. So this is a proper adhikarana Saptami, not any sati Saptami or something like that. Samyak patantishu. Patantishu, not thakara is not. Patantishu etasu ka prathamam sthanam prapnuyat. Wonder. Okay. Samyak patantishu etasu, amongst these girls who are in reading properly, I mean they are also in Saptami because of Visheshana. Patantishu etasu, samyak patantishu, properly reading. Ka prathamam sthanam prapnuyat, who may obtain the first place. The teacher or the observer is wondering about it. Okay. So Saptami Bahuvachana form. So nice. We have, I think, gone through the forms at least. So let us read this table and call it a day. So let's read this note and call it a day. You know, not call it a day, call it a morning. Afternoon 3 o'clock is there. You know that the forms ending in Shatru Pratyaya are used as adjectives in sentences. They're reasserting that. In the examples above, you find the same. Anayantim, Sitam, Kadantihi, Vanarihi, Smarantya, Taya, etc. 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 Following are the feminine forms of the Shatranta in 7 cases. Patanti, patantyau, patantyah, patantim, patantyau, patantihi, patantya, patantibhyam, patantibhihi, nadi shabdavat. Okay, ikaranta strilinga nadi shabda, nadi nadyau nadyah, nadim nadyau nadihi, nadya nadibhyam nadibhihi. Same declension. Patanti, patantyau, patantyah, patantim, patantyau, patantihi, patantya, patantibhyam, patantibhihi, patantyai, patantibhyam, patantibhyah, patantyah, patantibhyam, patantibhyah, patantyah, patantyoh, patantinam, patantyam, patantyoh, patantishu, he patanti, he patantyau, he patantyah. So hriswa happens in the Sambodhana. Other than that, the same. So one thing to notice, patantyah is a bahuvachana pratama vibhakti, patantyah is ekavachana panchami and shashti. So remember this very carefully. You get confused sometimes. So that is to note. Okay. So with that, let's call it a morning. So afternoon we will try this abhyasa and continue our learning relentlessly. We have to continue. So please have a nice lunch and gather back at 3 in good numbers. Okay. Namaste.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಮಹೋದಯ.